That is a perfect corner, everyone. Maybe some dots, but it's just a shine from the hologram. A little bit of exposed fibers. So like a BGS, that right there, even though everything else is perfect, they will look at that and they will say that no go. While other companies will have a little more, I mean, even like you could still get a BGS 10, but a black label would not have that. Looks great. It's hair. Alright, so that might be the first little image that I see. You cannot see that with your eye though. You would have to look at it under the microscope. Let's take a look at the back. Look at the thickness on this side. And then look at the thickness on this side. So, you know what? But it is bigger. Oh, you know what? Microscope, it looks pretty good. No dots on the surface. Couple dots right there, but I think that's dirt. Wait, I already said bye to you, Andre. Perfect edge. Yeah, see, I think see that little bit of lightning. Nice dog hair. Beautiful egg. This card is really nice. Perfectly round edge. Oh man, but from this angle you can see a little bit of exposed fibers. I mean, aside from the exposed fibers and the centering, and I mean the tiniest fibers, they are not visible with the naked eye. You would need intense magnification to spot the fibers, but I think this card's a 10, man. I'm gonna send it in. Hopefully they don't take too long.